Stop. My name is Emmanuel Uzoma, and I help successful business owners grow their online presence and reach new heights by building a loyal audience that buys from them. Not in the usual way you might think, though. Today, I'm going to walk you through a strategy called intent based branding, which takes your audience from curious to committed, making the whole selling process smoother and more powerful. But before we get started, if this sounds interesting, go ahead and click the learn more button or reach out to us. Let us dive deeper into how we can put this strategy to work for your business. Now, let's get into the details. My clients come to me because they want to take their business to the next level. They want to dominate online and they want to reach more people faster. And even though they are already seeing success with strong sales, good referrals, or even some results with ads, they tell me they are frustrated because they have not fully cracked the online space, are ready for growth, but feel like something is missing to reach that next level. Let's break this down into steps you can start using right now to position yourself as the go to in your market. The first step is to create a global message positioning. Think of it as the big idea that represents your brand. It is not just what you sell, it's the value you bring, the way you solve problems, and the reason people should choose you. This is the message that will stick with people and set you apart. The second step is to develop content pillars. Content pillars are the key themes you consistently talk about. Think of them as the legs of a table that support your brand, whether it is tips, whether it is success stories, insights, or behind the scenes looks. These pillars help people understand what you stand for and build familiarity. Next step is to use stories to make it memorable. And here is where you make an impact and a connection because people connect with stories. So weave them into your content. Imagine your audience as people you are guiding on a journey. You are not just selling a service or a product, you are solving real challenges in their lives or businesses. A good story is like a bridge, it takes people from just knowing about you to feeling connected with you. Now, this is where we take things to the next level. You don't have to wait for growth. Use targeted paid ads to reach more people faster. By boosting this content, you can build an invisible list of people who already know, like, and trust you. And when it's time to sell, they are ready. But because you have already built that relationship through these videos and posts, now here's the magic touch: retargeting. With a 60 seconds video ads, you can stay in front of your audience, retarget them, and reminding them that they trust you. This keeps you top of mind. Here is the magic touch: retargeting. With 60 seconds video ads, you can stay in front of your audience, reminding them why they trust you. This keeps you top of mind and helps you reach those who are ready to get started now, while nurturing those who need a bit more time. This reminds me of something we see all the time with successful brands that have made their mark online. Think about big names like Nike or Apple. Don't just put out ads that say buy our product. Instead, it creates a whole experience around who they are. Nike isn't just selling shoes, they are selling the feeling of being unstoppable, of going the extra mile. People start to feel connected to the brand because it speaks to something deeper than just the product. The same thing happens on a smaller scale with businesses that use intent based branding. Imagine your brand as a magnet. When you have the right message, people are naturally drawn to it. They are not being forced to buy, they are choosing to engage because they feel that pull. And that is the power of creating a brand presence that doesn't just sell but connects. When you apply this approach to your business, you are not just showing up as another option, you are the one people prefer, the brand they feel something for. This magnetic pull is what makes selling easier and is exactly what intent based branding does for you. To sum it up, intent based branding is about connecting with your audience on a deeper level. One tip is to make sure your content feels real and valuable before you ask for anything in return. When people feel like they are getting value first, they are much more likely to choose you when they are ready to buy. If you are really serious about taking your business to that next level, click learn more or reach out to us wherever you see this video. Let us talk about implementing this strategy to help you grow online and make the selling process smoother and more impactful. See you on the inside.